Ever pondered the secret to creating a bed so cozy, it's like being wrapped in a warm hug? The answer lies in the art of layering, a technique that transforms ordinary sleeping spaces into plush retreats. Today, we're sharing tips on how to master this art and create your dream bed. First, it all starts with the basics. A good quality mattress is the foundation of a cozy bed. When choosing a mattress, consider your sleeping position and personal comfort preferences. A mattress that provides the right amount of support and cushioning can make all the difference. Next, let's unravel the mystery of sheets. Cotton percale or sateen sheets are great choices for their breathability and softness. Consider thread count too. A thread count between 200 and 400 is often the sweet spot for comfort and durability. A cozy bed is not complete without a duvet or comforter. These fluffy layers of warmth are perfect for cuddling under during colder nights. Choose a fill that suits your climate and warmth preferences. Down or down alternative fills are popular choices for their lightweight yet warm properties. Now, onto pillows. Pillows are not just for supporting your head, they are also key players in the layering game. Adding decorative pillows of different shapes and sizes can instantly elevate the coziness factor of your bed. The final touch to a cozy bed is the throw blanket. Draped elegantly at the foot of the bed, throw blankets add an extra layer of warmth and texture. They're also handy to pull up on chilly nights. But remember, creating a cozy bed is more than just layering. It's about personalizing your space. Choose colors, patterns, and textures that resonate with your personal style. Whether it's a cool, calming blue or a vibrant, energizing orange, the colors you choose can affect your mood and the overall ambiance of your bedroom. So, to recap, creating a cozy bed is a thoughtful process that involves layering and personalizing. Start with a good mattress, choose breathable, soft sheets with a decent thread count, and add warmth with a duvet or comforter. Boost the coziness with decorative pillows, and finish off with a stylish throw blanket. And most importantly, let your personal style shine through in your choices. Mastering the art of layering can transform your bed into a cozy, inviting retreat. It's not just about making your bed look good, it's about making it feel like a haven of comfort and relaxation. So, go ahead and layer up. Your dream bed awaits.